You, as the high priestess of this process, can decide anytime that you feel you want to create, you want to do something transformative. You can have your own dreams and you have the ability to manifest. Hi, beautiful goddess. In this video, I share with you 5 tips. At least I counted 5. Might be more, might be one less, but 5 tips and 5 secrets to vision board success. I hope you enjoy. These are my secrets that I don't think have been shared out as much as they could be. So what is a vision board? Most of you know already that a vision board is simply either a digital or a actual board that has images that are exciting, beautiful, stimulating to your senses, that represent what you are in the process of manifesting. That's what a vision, because it's got your vision, it's a vision board. I will be doing a vision board workshop coming up very, very soon. You've got to click the link below if you're interested in joining us. It's going to be amazing. So let me just jump right into the tips that I want to share with you. Secret number 1, before you do a vision board, you want to be in a very high vibration state. That's very important. You don't want to be creating from a state of your fears, your anxieties, your doubts, anything like that. Like if you've had an argument with anyone, if anyone has upset you, it's not the right time to do the vision board, okay? That's really key. You want to manifest from your highest vibration of love, confidence, and all of that, just being in contact with your higher self, okay? So it's really important. Wait until you are in a really high vibration state. Secret number 2, to create that, I recommend any number of things, but I would definitely, like if you like dancing, movement is really powerful. So any sort of movement that puts you in your body in a relaxed way, and or yoga. And then do definitely have some meditation time before you begin the project. It's really important. A third tip is, what areas of life are you going to make the vision board on? That's important to know because, a vision board could be just in one area of life, right? It could be for finances or for love. You could just make it all one area, but it's important to know beforehand what areas. Are you just going to cover all the areas that are important to you of your life? That will help you in terms of gathering the materials, gathering the right images. But it's also, you want to have that mental clarity, because a huge part of manifestation is being clear. I recommend not leaving that till the last minute. I think a lot of us think of vision boards only at the start of the year, and that is incorrect. Here's why. The start of the year, different cultures have different starts of the year, and yes, psychologically, it feels like, yes, this is the time to do it. But I recommend also thinking about it in terms of the seasons and simply your phase of life, goddess. So right now, as I'm filming this, it is late spring, early summer. That's an excellent time to do a vision board because it's a time of blossoming. It's a time of a lot of energy. So each season has a benefit to doing a vision board. You could do it in the winter, because the winter there's an introspective and a quiet, because it's a sort of inward time where you can connect with ancestors. There are also parts of the year specifically where we can connect with ancestors, so you might want to do it around that time. So don't think that you can only do a vision board, oh, I did it at the beginning of 2021, so now I have to stick with it the whole year. That is not true. You, as the high priestess of this process, can decide, I don't like these images anymore on this vision board, or I have something has come up. You can take a vision board apart, take it apart, thank, the energy you put into it, but you can make a vision board at any time. And most importantly, okay, do not feel like a failure if something on your vision board does not manifest. This is really important. It's important that you keep your spirit high and realize, as I'm sure you do, that Spirit has a plan. And so you may put something on your vision board that seems amazing, that you think would make you happy, but we always want to have the thought and the affirmation, this or something better. If something doesn't come true from an old vision board, do not let that discourage you. There are a couple of things that it could be about, and I want to share that in here because I think it's very important, because I think some of you may have become discouraged from working with your vision board. What it is either the timing is wrong, it's just not the right time for that. It could still be in process, or it's something that is no longer for you. It's an old dream that might even keep you small. There is a bigger plan for you. So your sort of small vision, even though you think it's amazing, is not even as just as beautiful as Spirit has in mind for you. It's something that's already past in terms of your sort of soul evolution. Those are the main reasons that it wouldn't manifest. You may also have fears about it, but in any case, do not think that you're a failure. It doesn't mean that you can't re-put that on the vision board, right? And do more shadow work and self-growth work, and you can still work on that manifestation. So I really want to share that. I don't want you to get into feeling like you are a failure. Again, just to share my mission for this channel, it's all about us living our dreams. There are many folks who may not believe in you or believe that you can manifest what you desire, or that you deserve it. And so I'm really here to support you and stand with you that you can have your dreams. They don't have to be your mom's dreams or your sister's dreams or your uncle's dreams or your family or your tribe. You can have your own dreams, and you have the ability to manifest. And I do want to share, I am doing a vision boarding workshop, and it's actually 3 parts. There's a main part, and I will record it all. So I hope you can catch it live. It's starting really soon. The link is below. All right, and I hope if these tips were helpful, give the video a thumbs up and share with me your thoughts. Mwah. Much love. Stay blissed and blessed.